Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Epidemic sound on a monetized YouTube video. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. All right, so first up, we need to go ahead and connect our YouTube channel to our Epidemic account. So to go ahead and do that, go ahead and click on your profile right here at the bottom left, click on account. Now go ahead over to save list and then add in your YouTube channel. Okay. If you're currently using the pro plan, you can go ahead and add in up to 3 YouTube channels, including your client's channels if you have one. Okay. But if you're just using the simple creator plan, you can just go ahead and use 1 YouTube channel. All right. I hope that's clear. Once your channel is safe right here, you can legally download and monetize the music or even the sound effects or the voices or whatever. You can just go ahead and browse through the catalog and then download the music that you wanted to download. Preview it, and if you like it, click on download. You can download the full mix or just the stems. Download, wait for the process to finish, save it wherever you want. And once that's done, import this one to your editing software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci, CapCut, or any other editing software. Okay? And then once that's done, export your video, upload it to YouTube, and make sure that you upload it to the YouTube channel that was safe listed in here. Because if you go ahead and upload and use the music to a different YouTube channel that is not in here, you'll get copyrighted. Okay? So any video you publish while your subscription is active will stay monetized and clear forever, even if you cancel your subscription later. And if you cancel your subscription, you cannot use Epidemic soundtracks in a new video upload. Okay, again, you cannot use Epidemic soundtracks in a new video. Otherwise, new videos will face monetization claims. All right, and that is how you use sound on monetized YouTube videos. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.